Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? I am Kamlesh Dave. Welcome to my YouTube channel Salud Spanish for All. I hope you are really learning and practicing Spanish well. For better practice, watch my all videos from the beginning in order. Okay friends, today in this video, we will learn the new verb querer. So do you know the meaning of querer? Any idea? Okay, querer means to want. The main verb is querer, querer means to want. Now let us learn the 6 conjugation of this verb. The first form is quiero. The second form quieres. Third form quiere. Fourth form queremos. Fifth form queréis. And the last form quieren. Let's revise these 6 forms: quiero, quieres, quiere, queremos, queréis, and quieren. And you now already know that these 6 forms are used with the appropriate subject pronoun. Now let's learn the English meaning of these forms. I want, you want informal, then he or she wants or you want formal, we want, you want informal, and the last form they want or you want formal. So before we continue with the examples, let us revise the 6 forms. The 6 forms are there on your screen in the red font: quiero, quieres, quiere, queremos, queréis, and quieren. Now let's learn the examples using these 6 forms. The first example: quiero una pluma negra. I want a black pen. Estos niños quieren el helado. These kids want ice cream. Queremos 5 billetes de película. We want 5 movie tickets. ¿Queréis chocolates? Do you want chocolates? Mi prima quiere un móvil nuevo. My cousin wants a new mobile. ¿Qué quieres? What do you want? So notice these 6 examples so you will have clear idea about the 6 forms of the verb querer. Now we will learn one more use of this verb querer with the infinitive. So how we can use one more infinitive verb with querer? So after querer conjugation, directly we have to use the infinitive verb. So let's check the frames in Spanish and in English. In Spanish, the frame is querer plus infinitive verb. Querer means any form of the 6 forms depend on the subject pronoun, and then we have to use the infinitive verb. In English, the meaning would be want to plus verb. So subject wants to do some action. I want to do this, you want to do that. In Spanish, you have to use querer, then infinitive verb. In English, the meaning would be want to plus verb. Now let's check these use with the help of examples. The first example: quiero tomar el té. I want to have tea. ¿Quieres jugar al tenis? Do you want to play tennis? Ella quiere viajar a España. She wants to travel to Spain. So notice the infinitive verbs with the querer forms. In the first sentence, quiero tomar. In the second sentence, quieres jugar. In the third sentence, quiere viajar. Next example: queremos practicar más frases. We want to practice more sentences. And the last example: estas chicas quieren comer pizza. These girls want to eat pizza. Now notice these 5 examples using this frame querer plus infinitive. Clear friends, very easy. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. You can like this video, comment and share with your contacts. One more task I am giving you. You have to write minimum 2 sentences in the comment section. One using the verb carrier, 6 forms of carrier, and the second sentence using this formula, carrier plus infinitive verb. So try to write 2 sentences using the verb that we have learned today, and I will correct the mistakes if you have any mistakes. If you have any doubts or query, then also you can doubt to me in the comment section. I will be happy to solve all your queries and doubts. Keep watching my videos. Thank you. Gracias. For the courses details of Spanish language, you can contact me on the given number. I provide online classes also for Spanish language and different courses are available. So you can call me on the given number. You can send a text message or also WhatsApp message. Alternatively, you can also write an email to me. Gracias. Thank you.